Welcome to HR Chronicle, the best HR and payroll management software in the Middle East.
Do you know how to set up admin in HR Chronicle?
In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create user groups, add new users, and configure dashboard permissions in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Creating a user group. Head over to the admin section. Select the user group. Click on Create New User Group. Enter a user group name of your choice. Next, select the companies you want this group to have access to. You can assign one or multiple companies. Under Module/Form Permissions, choose the modules you want to give access to. Full control in your hands. Click Save. Your new user group is now created successfully. Step 2. Adding a new user. Go to User Maintenance. Click on Create New. Enter the username. Enter full name. And enter the email ID. Set a secure password and confirm it. Select the user group you just created or any group you want to assign the user to. Under Dashboard Group, you can assign dashboard access permissions. Click Create. That's it. Your new user is ready. Step 3. Assigning dashboard permissions. Go to the User Group dashboard. Select the user group you want to manage. Choose the dashboard type. You'll see a list of available widgets. Pick and assign the ones you want the group to access. And you can delete the assigned widgets. Click Save. Now your admin setup is complete and ready to take control of all HR tasks. With HR Chronicle, managing your team is easier. From user access to dashboard customization, you're always in control. For more updates, subscribe to our channel. The best HR and payroll management software in Middle East. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.